Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Siddhi and you're watching me on For Women in India. Today we'll be talking about what is sexual harassment at workplace. And we'll understand this with the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition, Redressal Act 2013. In the case of Vishaka and others versus the state of Rajasthan, the Supreme Court had observed that sexual harassment includes such unwelcome sexually determined behavior as physical contacts in advance, sexually colored remarks, showing pornography, and sexual demands whether by words or action. Such conduct can be humiliating and may constitute a health and safety problem. It is discriminatory when the woman has reasonable grounds to believe that her objection would disadvantage her in connection with her employment, including recruiting or promotion, or when it creates a hostile working environment. Effective complaint procedures and remedies, including compensation, should be given to the victim. Further, Section 3 of the law states some of the circumstances that can be considered sexual harassment at workplace. Any promise for preferential treatment in exchange of favor, any threat to her job or detrimental treatment, creating hostile or intimidating or offensive environment, humiliating treatment that can affect her health and safety. Now, we'll try to understand that who is an aggrieved woman under the Act. At a workplace, a woman of any age, whether employed or not, and at a dwelling place or a house, a woman of any age who has been employed there and alleges to have been sexually harassed at that place is an aggrieved woman. Now we'll talk about who's a domestic worker under the Act. Any woman who is employed to a household to do the work for remuneration, either directly or through some agency on a temporary, permanent, full-time or part-time basis is a domestic worker. According to the Act, a woman who is a member of the family of the employer cannot be a domestic worker at the household. Now we'll understand who is an employee under the Act. A person employed at a workplace for any work on a regular, temporary, ad hoc or daily wages basis, either by an agency or a contractor. It includes any person working as a co-worker, apprentice, intern, contract worker, etc. for remuneration or on voluntary basis. Now we'll talk about that what is a workplace. The law provides a very broad definition of workplace. It includes all organizations, establishments in public and private sector, any organization owned directly or indirectly by the government, an organization funded by the government. These may also include hospitals, nursing homes, vocational and educational institutions, sports institution, a training institution. It also includes formal and informal workplaces, for example, brick mills, beauty parlors, clubs, pubs, NGOs, and most importantly, it also includes any place that is the aggrieved woman may be visiting in relation to her work. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will talk about that how can a woman file a complaint and what all are the procedures to be followed. In the meantime, if you have any question, you can post it down in the comment section and we'll try to answer it in our comments or in the next video. Thank you and stay safe.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.